The present perfect. Continuous tense is a useful grammatical tool in English that is often used to describe actions or situations that started in the past and are still ongoing in the present. This tense is particularly useful when talking about long-term conservation projects, where the work is ongoing and has been happening for an extended period of time. In this tutorial, we will explore how the present perfect continuous tense can be used to describe these projects, using a variety of illustrative examples. One common example of a long-term conservation project is reforestation. For example, the environmental organization has been planting trees in the deforested area for the past 5 years. This sentence shows that the action of planting trees started in the past and is still continuing. The use of the present perfect continuous tense emphasizes the ongoing nature of the work. Another example of a long-term conservation project is wildlife conservation. For instance, the conservation group has been monitoring the population of endangered species in the region for the past decade. This sentence highlights the continuous effort to track and protect endangered species over an extended period of time. Additionally, environmental cleanup efforts are another common example of long-term conservation projects. As an illustration, the volunteers have been cleaning up the beach every weekend for the past 6 months. This sentence showcases the continual action of cleaning up the beach to protect the environment and wildlife. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool for describing long-term conservation projects. By using this tense, we can emphasize the ongoing nature of these efforts and showcase the dedication and hard work of those involved in these important projects. Through the numerous examples provided, ESL students can better understand how to use this tense in their own writing and conversation when discussing conservation efforts.